Ladies and gentlemen.
Hi guys, this is Neil from the Philippines, and beatboxing changed my life. So I discovered my talent when I was 12 years old. So yeah, half of my life I've been beatboxing. I discovered this in our bathroom. Yeah, because our neighbor was playing a very loud music, the song of Michael Jackson, the Billie Jean. And I was wondering what if I'll mimic this using just my voice, my mouth, and yeah.
I want to hear the original Billie Jean. Go.
Yeah.
Wow!
That's the first song I learned. And then I keep on practicing, searching on YouTube the basic sounds, and then every time I heard a song, a music, I just applying it and practicing it. That is why I got this talent. It's all self-taught, man.
24-year-old Neil grew up in the southern Filipino city called Davao. I first discovered him from this viral YouTube video, and considering that I've always wanted to go to Davao, I thought he'd be the perfect person to hang out with. Turns out that his story is as inspiring as they come.
Okay, so you knew you were really good, your friends knew you were really good. When did you decide, hey, I want to try to perform on a big scale?
When I was, I think 14, 15 years old. In our school, high school, my classmate pushing me, "Ma'am, Neil has a talent, he wants to perform." And I was shy, and then I performed a speech laboratory, and then that's my first performance. The teachers are happy, the students are happy. Every time there's an event in our school, they're always shouting, "Neil Llanes!" I've joined national competition here in Philippines, and I've won. It's called Talentadong Pinoy.
Okay, and then that was when you were like, okay, I can make it a career.
Yeah, because I'm happy, and then the money that I earn, the money there is just like the reward. The important is I'm happy and inspiring people, especially the kids.
But there was one opportunity to perform that changed his life forever, and it was on Asia's Got Talent.
Hello. Tell me, what's your name and where have you come from?
My name is Neil, and I'm from Davao City, Philippines. This is my first time overseas. Yes,
Really?
This is my first time.
Yeah, Asia's Got Talent is the biggest break because it's not just the Philippines saw it, this Asia. Actually, I've joined season 1. That video gone viral. I was qualified on the semifinals, but I backed out because of the studies. I need to study first. And then, after 2 years of studying, I've graduated, I have a degree. I've joined Asia's Got Talent season 2. And that's the time I got the finalist. And now I think it's more than 100 million views.
100 million?
Yeah.
How does it feel to have, I've never had 100 million.
Me too. As a beatboxer, I'm the most viewed on YouTube. When you search the word beatbox, the first one to appear, it's my audition in Asia's Got Talent.
And then things quickly escalated from there.
After Asia's Got Talent, who booked you?
There's a lot of companies who booked me, and they are asking for me to perform in their events like awards nights. And also the Department of Tourism, Philippines, they got me to perform in other countries also to promote Philippines.
Which countries?
I've been to Russia, India, Norway, Sweden, Denmark, Dubai, Turkey, Kazakhstan, in Europe, in Paris, Germany,
Wow.
Spain.
And you were getting paid for all this?
Yeah, I'm paid.
That's like a dream life, man.
He co-owns 2 businesses, one popular restaurant in town,
Burgers and Filipino food.
and he also owns a gel business because his hair is his trademark.
Yeah, my hair is natural. I'm using my pomade. I have personal brand pomade. It's called God's Grip. It's organic.
And with the first chunk of his earnings, he bought gifts for himself and his family.
I bought a motorcycle just for my personal use and a house for my family. A lot in house.
As you can see, Neil's big heart is just as impressive as his beats. He just wants to give back to his community, and he remains extremely humble through all the fame.
You saw him on Asia's Got Talent?
Oh yeah.
What do you think about him?
Very good. Fantastic. Fantastic boy.
So, where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Yeah, 5 years, maybe I'm teaching beatboxing to the young ones, and then on my YouTube I'll post a lot of videos to inspire more kids.
It was well worth the quick trip to Davao to meet Neil and hear his amazing story of how beatboxing changed his life. I can't wait to follow his growth as he continues to inspire millions more around the world.
What is one message that you want to say to the world?
One message that I can say to the world is to love everyone, to spend each day, every second to your loved ones, and be an inspiration to everyone. That's it.
Thank you so much, Neil. You are the man.
Thanks, bro.
So talented, this guy. Follow him on YouTube. What's your YouTube channel?
Neil Llanes.
Neil Llanes. He is doing big things in his life.
Thank you guys for watching. See. You. Soon.
So as it's my first time here in Davao and Neil's from here, he's gonna take me to the best durian place in town.
We're gonna go to Magsaysay Park. It's iconic place also for fruits, not only durian, but durian is there, bro.
Yeah, durian is so famous here. You know, whenever I eat it in Singapore, someone always messages me from Davao. No, we have durian in Davao in the Philippines.
Durian in Davao.
Because they don't have it in Manila. They only have it in Davao. Even in Zamboanga, they don't really have.
Oh, yeah.
So it's more of like very natural to Davao. So,
Kuya,
Yes, Kuya.
how are you? Fresh durian.
The beast in Philippines.
it's a good one?
Every time I eat it, it's like I'm in heaven, bro.
Amazing.
Woo!
How's it?
Delicious. I really like it. I miss this, bro.
Cheers.
Yeah,
You can have
cheers.
another bite. It's filling. It makes you full.
Yeah. Go, Drew. Mmm. You like it?
It's sweet.
Yeah, it's
Very
sweet.
good, man. It tastes like a custard, like ice cream. So I've eaten durian maybe 10 times now, and the first 5 times I hated it, and now I just think it's delicious, and I swear, it's like really creamy and sweet.
I'm so proud of you, Drew.
Thank you, man. I'm Drew Binsky, and if you like my travel videos, please click subscribe and join me as I plan to visit every country in the world.